guys, Linton here. Let's take a quick look at what's going on with the Nasdaq. Last week we saw a very big bullish close. The close is above this trend line that I was watching, and because of the significance of how bullish that candle was, I think it's possible that we have seen the full correction in the market. The only thing I'm a little bit concerned about is the fact that we didn't hit this 38.2% retracement level nicely. So that's the reason why I believe we could be seeing the reversal point in the market, but the possibility for a second leg to the downside still exists. So what we could see is, instead of this being a 1, 2, 3 wave with a breakout, what we could actually be seeing is a 1, 2, 3 wave and then a breakout from there. So that all depends on what happens now with the lower time frames. Let's have a look at the daily quickly and see where we are. What I'm going to do is, we know the market moves in waves, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly pop a daily or a fib on the daily, push back up here, and then we'll see what the levels are telling us. So let's have a look at the move from the bottom back up to the top here. So if we are expecting price to go and break the highs again, these are going to be our resistance levels to the upside. So at the moment, 14,856 really seems on the cards before we'll see any kind of movement, and possibly 15,306. So if you're in a buy already, I'd be holding all the way to probably the 61% retracement. But then you've got to watch and you've got to see what happens. Are we going to see this bigger third leg to the downside or not? That's the question you need to ask yourselves. So are we going to see this being a 1, a 2, and then a 3 wave down before we see a push back to the upside, which is very, very possible. So I am starting to look at this as the reversal of in the market, and what I want to see is, even on a lower time frame like the 4-hour, I'd like to see some kind of an entry signal. And what I mean by that is I want to see a flag formation of some sort. So let's say it happens from here. What I'd like to see is price make a wave down, pull back a bit, give us a retest of something, and maybe even a retest of the breakout of this channel, and I'll start looking for an entry at that point to the upside. If you enjoyed this content and it was useful to you, please give me a thumbs up, and also share with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks guys. Cheers.